You could have come with a welcome board, no?
Yes. It was a surprise for everyone. I did not share
1 minute.
that.
Ma'am, 1 minute, 1 minute. Hello.
Yeah. Hello? Where is Vivek? Joined? Yeah, thank you. Thank you from teacher's side that arranging a farewell by yourself and wanted to give thanks to the department and the teachers who taught you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, teachers, if you all thought you all have got rid of us, that's not true. You all still have some time. Yes, there is still some time. You'll have to bear with all of us. But yeah, on behalf of everyone here, we would, my thank you is going to be it's going to be a long meeting. But yeah, now requesting all the students. Bindu ma'am, I'll take over.
Yeah, you take over.
Yeah.
You take over, no problem. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Sorry?
Already taken over the meeting because we are small in number. Go ahead.
Yeah. There is no option but to, But yeah. Students, thank you so much. Students, you all can switch off your videos. Teachers, you all keep your videos on only. So yeah, first of all, hello. We also wanted to know what happens in these teachers meetings. So we thought, why not just join in? But yeah, we have few things planned for you all. First of all, we have a few personalized thank yous. We have set one student for each teacher, and we're going to thank each and every one of you personally. So teachers, keep your videos on. Again, repeating, teachers, keep your videos on if possible. And students, please switch off your videos for now. We want all the teachers to come in one frame. Okay, so we'll begin. Swapnika, are you there? Swapnika?
Yes, Tejas. Just
yeah, Swapnika, switch on your video and let's see who's Swapnika going to speak about. Yeah.
Good evening to all the teachers.
Good evening. Good evening.
To see you all together right now. So it's like my honor that I'll be thanking Bindu ma'am first. I got a chance to speak about a few lines for her. Bindu ma'am, I would like to thank you on behalf of our whole batch. We would like you to thank you for each and everything, right from teaching us machines to HVDC. So patiently being available to hear all our queries and solve all our problems anytime and taking actions on them. The way you taught us made us remember points for so long in an effective manner. The lectures were so interactive that we were always alert and also ready for the next lecture's question and answer session the next morning. You always paid attention to the comfort of students, right from making class available for students who came early, as well as created that comfortable environment in the department. You were always approachable for everyone for any kind of academic or personal issues. Also made sure we are doing all our tasks on time and took feedback on each and every subject in every aspect. Machines IA paper wasn't easy for all, but everyone scored well. Being in council, I realized that you always heard and analyzed the problems of student side and also explained us the limitations of management so well and suggested the best possible solution in every situation. We feel really grateful that we are your students and we may need your advice in future too. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yep, thank you, Swapnika. We'll give all the teachers to speak once the thank yous are done. We have a list of all the thank yous that we want to say. Once that is done, then we are going to. Yeah. Also, who's supposed to record? Vivek? Okay, yeah, ma'am, if you can.
I will record it, okay?
Okay, done. Yeah. So yeah, once the list of thank yous is done from our part, we'll give the stage to you as well so that you all can speak. We all can be emotional as well in this meeting. Yeah. So we'll move on to the next person, Vaibhav. Vaibhav, who are you going to speak about? Open your switch on your video and switch on your mic, and let's see who Vaibhav is going to speak about.
Yeah, so I would like to thank Sushil sir for always encouraging us with your words full of hope and support, and also for the motivation, knowledge, and insights that you have given to all of us. We learned a lot from you, sir. Your seminars always changed our perception of electrical engineering. Although due to this pandemic situation, we all didn't got a chance to attend your lectures physically, but even on this virtual platform, we got a good insight on how to design a specific product based on its application and user needs in an efficient manner, and also the application based knowledge which you have given to us, along with how to select a specific component and how to understand the data sheet so that we know whether it is suitable for our use or not. These things would definitely help all of us in our future careers. Thank you for correcting our mistakes and clearing our doubts. The assignments which you gave were really very unique, and you covered many topics which were not there in the syllabus but important for our learning. This helped us to understand the subject better, and this not only increased our interest in the subject, but it also boosted our practical knowledge too. And sir, when will you take the next DSP lecture? We all are actually eagerly waiting for it. Today, on behalf of this entire batch of Electrical 2021, I would like to thank you not only for teaching us, but also for helping us and for guiding us for our better future. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you, Vaibhav. Thank you. We'll clap at the end after the thank yous are done. Next up, we have Mini R ma'am in the list. So who's Bhavesh? Bhavesh, let's see what you have to say. Bhavesh, can you switch on your video? Yeah, Bhavesh is here. Okay, Bhavesh, here you go.
I would like to thank Mini Raji ma'am on behalf of the entire class of 2021 for the role you played in transforming us from passive students to active innovators. Since the first class of basic electrical engineering, when you said that electrical engineers will be in huge demand in the future, you always pushed us to look beyond the textbook, explore concepts beyond the syllabus, and get a deeper look into electrical engineering as a whole. From BEE to APE, you always taught concepts with such an ease of understanding that I still remember most of what I learned in your lectures. I remember the gate questions you asked us to solve during lectures and tests to help us improve our understanding of the subject and give us the confidence to face problems with a calm and sound approach. Calm mind and a sound approach. We admire your sharp memory in remembering our seating places in class and our absences. But more than that, we thank you for all your hard work as one of our class teachers to ensure that all the students are on track to pass with flying colors. We thank you for all the opportunities you introduced, from exposure to industry leaders to various competitions and projects from research organizations like TIFR, which helped us learn and excel beyond the curriculum. Finally, we thank you for helping us understand our potential and giving us the tools we need to realize this potential through knowledge and hard work. Just like current flows from the source to the network and right back to supply, we hope to keep returning back to the college throughout our future to meet you again. P.S. One special request from the girls. They wanted to know, from where do you get your saris?
I think Mini ma'am can give the reply to that once we set the stage open. Mini ma'am, please reveal your secrets. Where do you get your saris from? Yeah, so that we can gift our mothers also the saris. Yeah. So yeah, next up we have Govind. Govind, are you there? Thank you, Bhavesh. Govind, are you there? Govind, where are you, Govind?
Yes.
Yeah. Unmute, and if you can switch on your video, and let's see who Govind is going to speak about.
Yeah, so I'm talking about Bindu or ma'am. So generally you could teach our batch since I'm in this class, but due to the pandemic and shortage of time to prepare for the platform, you had to teach us. You always try to provide us with the best you can, and you are one of your kind, and you put all your efforts into teaching us, making presentations for us and recording videos for us. It generally used to happen that only students would stay up till late at night and complete assignments, but you are like one of us, preparing till late night for lectures the next day, and some students would get that golden opportunity to revise the topic the next morning. Such high efforts from your side made us learn that subject, but still we cannot justify your efforts. You always used to arrange for all the materials students required to understand the concepts, and even going to the college to record practicals for us just so the student could learn the subject comprehensively even in the safety of their home. We are sorry for not answering the questions you asked us sometimes, and we truly appreciate you to understand the roadblocks in our understanding and neatly explaining whatever concepts we didn't understand. We hope you can forgive us, and thanks again for all the efforts you made.
Thank you, Govind. अब हमारे क्लास में गोविंद था तो बिंदुवार मैम के बारे में गोविंद ही बोलेगा और कौन बोलेगा. So yeah, thank you Govind. Next up we have Gaurav. Gaurav, can you switch on your video and yeah, let's see who's
Yes,
Gaurav
sir.
going to speak
So,
about. Yes.
I'll be talking about Mini and Ma'am, the one who came in the last but impacted us most, I guess. So the story of Mini Ma'am is little different for me. During one of our machines lab practical in SEM 5, Mini Ma'am came into our lab with bunch of 7 STEM students, and till that date I had never seen her actually, but just heard about her that. And even today I still don't know where the ma'am's cabin used to be. So then I asked my friends, and they told me that Mini Ma'am will be taking our simulations and drives in the final year. And I was very excited to learn drives and simulations from her and various prototypes available in the college. But due to online colleges, none of those things actually got the chance, and none of our classmates got a chance to interact with you directly in a face-to-face manner. Mini Ma'am, you are the reason that we started to look at the softwares in a different way, trying out different things, changing settings here and there, exploring possibilities is what we learned from you. In other words, you can put it right as you made our unfiltered output into a pure sine wave. On this day, I want to thank you on behalf of my entire class for giving us all the possible knowledge that you had, and even beyond that. I'd like to say sorry from everyone that whenever you used to call that, are you listening over there? Am I audible to you? But none of us used to open our mic and speak that, yes, we are listening, man. And one more thing before closing up, simulation in the simulation lab, actually, ma'am, you always used to tell us that open your MATLAB and show me the results. But always we used to say that, ma'am, MATLAB and Microsoft Teams don't work together. But the truth is that they actually can work together, and that's about it. And people say that our final year batch might have been the unluckiest one, that we missed out on the farewell, campus life, project work musty, and many more such things. But still, I feel that it was enjoyable and memorable one just because we had teachers like you. Once again, thank you so much for not just making us engineers, but making us better human beings. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Gaurav. This is going to be pretty wholesome, I think. This is a good experience. Next up, we have Rahul. Rahul, and who are you going to speak about, Rahul? Let's see.
Am I visible and audible?
Yeah, you are both visible and audible. Go ahead.
I'm speaking about Mahendra Rane, sir. No, Dr. Mahendra Rane, sir. He's one of our favorite teachers in FCRIT. From PS to DMAS, he has been with us for 3 semesters. Your expertise in these subjects have made us understand thoroughly the subject, and it has given us some very unique skills within us. We are so thankful for you, sir, that you have taught with so much sincerity and passion. Also, we'd like to thank you for your constant support and motivation for the placement activities you have given in these 2 years. The half-day bunk on the Ganesh Visarjan, which was our first and last successful mass bunk. And we will remember it forever because of the punishment you had given us the next day. We are really sorry, sir. Because of you, the scales and pro circles came into use after a very, very long time. Whenever we had your lecture, just after the break, we used to rush like anything into the classes because you used to take the attendance manually, and it was very, very important for us to get that attendance. Finally, we would like to thank you for your patience and efforts, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rahul. That was sweet. Just in case any teacher just joined in, this is not the wrong meeting. You have joined the correct link. We have gate crashed into your meeting. That's what has happened. Yeah, moving on. We will go to Siddhi. Siddhi, let's see who Siddhi is going to talk about. Siddhi, can you switch on your video and mic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So good evening all. I'm going to speak about Divya ma'am. So Divya ma'am, throughout this year, we used to see you in DC lab, and we always wanted you to teach us. But unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to learn offline from you. But the online experience wasn't even bad. The first and the last subject that you taught us was Simulation Lab 3 along with Sridevi ma'am. Taking online practicals was not that easy, but you cleared all our concepts very well. You monitored our simulation models and corrected our silliest mistakes. Understanding of the subject became easy. We have always admired how fast you used to speak, as it made us to concentrate a little more in the lab sessions. Ma'am, on the behalf of whole class, I would like to thank you for all your efforts and all your support. Also, thank you for the help during Viva. Those little things, hints, helped us a lot, as everyone was relieved after hearing from each other that Arichil Divya ma'am is there to help us. We will always appreciate that. Once again, thank you so much.
Thank you, Siddhi. That was good. That was good. And we move on to the next one. Amaya Satpute. Let's see who Amaya is going to speak about. Amaya, where are you? Yup.
Yeah, I'm there. Okay. So, Sridevi ma'am, this one's for you. You were a first class teacher from the electrical department, and you made our transition from humanities to elect very simple. You made the process, you understood and made us understand the working of our department very smoothly. From EDC to REACH to MCA, you made those subjects just a piece of cake for us. And I guess there was hardly any semester when you were not there as a teaching faculty for our class. But whenever you were not there, you also used to track our progress, taunt us, correct us at the right times, and kept us on our tracks. And ma'am, we would never forget the time when you used to ask us whether the set IA timetable was convenient or not for us, and if there are any changes, and also made sure that the changes were implemented. And I sincerely want to thank you, ma'am, on behalf of all the class for helping us take this major step in the life of journey. You used to sit farthest from our class, but I think we all have visited your cabin most of that, more number of time than anybody else's. And I'm sorry from behalf of me, Ajay and Jobis, for chit-chatting and giggling in your lectures. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. And thank you, Amaya. All right. Next up, we have Anjali. Anjali, who are you going to speak about?
Hi, good evening, everyone. I am here to thank Ruchi ma'am. Thank you, Ruchi ma'am, on the behalf of the entire class. I wanted to let you know that how much we appreciate your hard work and efforts for all of us, although we don't say it enough to you. I also wanted to apologize on behalf of everyone for joining late in your lectures. Actually, your questions terrified us. Like literally, you have taught us one of the most difficult subjects, that is control systems and facts. And your questions, like we used to be very scared to join the class on time and be caught not attentive. And you have also been a guiding light for the student council, and you were always very, very approachable and open to our questions and queries. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Yep. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Anjali. Next up, Swapnali. This is going to be a good list. By the end of it, if all the teachers start crying, that would be great. But then
Am I visible and audible?
Yeah, you are visible and audible.
Yeah, so
Go ahead.
I'm here to speak about and thank our longest teaching faculty of our class, that is Seema ma'am. From generation C and CPG to lighting of future in illumination engineering, it was a really beautiful journey under your guidance. Thank you for all the support, guidance, and precious life lessons. I remember every sem we used to end on an emotional note saying that like you won't be teaching us the next semester, but I'm glad that we united again and again. Thank you for teaching with full enthusiasm, even when we were not able to pay full attention to the lectures. And sorry for not responding during the lecture. Hats off to the way you handle conflicts patiently during formation of project groups. We are also sorry that you will have to deal with us a bit longer, I guess, till the black book. Thank you so much for all the patience and support. And also I request my fellow classmates to fill the feedback form as soon as possible. Thank you so much, ma'am.
That was good. Yes, students, please, if you haven't filled your feedback forms, that was a good reminder, Swapnali. Please fill your feedback forms. And next up, we have Nishil. Nishil, who are you going to speak about? Where are you? Nishil.
Yes. Am I visible?
You are visible. Yes. Go ahead.
I'm going to speak about Rashmi ma'am. Ma'am, we didn't have much of your.
Bring your mic closer to your mouth.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
I'm going to speak about Rashmi ma'am. Ma'am, we didn't have much of your lecture, but we are sure going to remember the ESDL lab where you gave us some good challenges to complete before 4:30 p.m. Which we all never submitted before 4:30 p.m. Ma'am, also, ma'am, you told us to make component list during the lab. What component which we are going to require from the college, ma'am? The question is still there that what should we do with that list? And on the behalf of the whole class, I would like to thank you for your help in understanding ESDL lab, and thank you, ma'am, for pushing us beyond our comfort zone. And ma'am, on personal note, I am going to be remembering the your call out that Nishil, where is Nishil? That will be going to be remembered by me. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nishil. Next up, we have Anuja, 12th Anuja. Who are you going to speak about, Anuja? Where are you, Anuja?
Yes, am I visible?
Yeah. Great. Okay, go.
So this is for you, Harshada ma'am. It's my great pleasure expressing our views on behalf of Electrical Class 2021 about you. So all of us know that second year is the base and starting of electrical engineering journey. Also, being power system a core of electrical world, just because of you, we were able to catch up the things very easily. And it helped us a lot during our placement activities and placement interviews also. Also, the fundamentals of control system taught by you also help us to understand and understand upcoming subjects, which helped us in final year projects and also in during lab sessions. We really enjoyed your teaching time, ma'am. Also, participating in ISA events was a great experience for all of us. We really enjoyed the tree plantation event which you arranged during ISA Fest. Really, thank you very much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Anuja. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anuja. Next up, we have Divya S, ma'am. So Mansi is going to speak about her. Mansi, where are you? Mansi?
Am I visible?
Yeah, go ahead. Let's see what you have to say.
So I would like to thank Divya ma'am. I remember when we were in third year and you taught the first few chapters of Power System 2. We all were very confused at the beginning, but ma'am, you cleared all our basics as well as each and every silly doubts we had, and made the subject very interesting. You also arranged the mini project competition, which was of course compulsory, but which was fun to work on, and gave us a gist of how we work as a team. Many of us made the same teams for final year project also, and even though we didn't get much time together, but it was a great experience. So thank you so much, ma'am, for supporting and guiding us.
Thank you, Mansi. We'll move on to Hemant. Hemant is going to speak about our very own Rajendra sir. Hemant, where are you?
So, sir.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Sir, so I would like to thank you on behalf of the whole class. You are a class teacher, and being CR, I had a great bond with you. So you taught us about signal processing and machines design. So that's why our concepts were so clear. When your lectures were so lively and fun for us to attend, because there were so many memories which were created that time. So memories like you asking Anjan to stand up so that he won't fall asleep. You calling backbenchers to sit in front so that they won't do assignments of another subjects in that time. And when Vaibhav was constantly giving wrong answers, you said, "Mujh par ek asan karna ki mujh par koi asan na karna." So all in all, sir, I would like to thank you for taking such efforts in teaching us. And by the way, sir, we are still waiting for signal processing assignment test papers.
Thank you, Hemant. Thank you. Yes, sir. We will never forget your dialogue, sir. Never. Even in the 60 years, we'll never. Okay. We have Anjan who's going to speak about Abhishek, sir. Anjan, where are you?
Hey, am I audible?
Yes, you are. Go ahead.
Abhishek, sir, you always had such a jolly personality, due to which you were more of a friend than a professor to us. When we had any doubt, sir always comes up with a unique solution. I remember those machine lectures where he would come up and take a single topic for the whole lecture, such that during exam preparations, you won't require any reference book. His lectures note were more than enough. I also remember those Shairi war, which we had in the Facebook comments during the lockdown. Thanks for motivating us with this Shairi that we cannot forget, which was पैशाची नाही चिंता भरपूर आहे माल प्लेसमेंट लवकर पाहिजे असेल तर सॉल्व करा RS Agarwal. You always suggested us so many workshops and courses so that we can enhance our resumes and get placed quickly. Let it be academics or any placement activities. You always come up with these short questions that always comes in exam. I would like to take this moment to thank you, sir, on behalf of our whole class for all those wonderful experiences and always helping us out whenever we needed it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Anjan.
Anjan. Yeah, thank you, sir. Next up, Mansi for Alina ma'am. Yes, go ahead.
On behalf of our whole batch, I would like to thank Alina ma'am. We first interacted for the subject electrical networks in semester 4. Ma'am, the efforts you took to make sure we understand every single concept was amazing. We were just in second year of electrical engineering and you were very successful to build our interest in the subject. Doing regular homework, maybe even one sum, made us understand the importance of consistency. You taught us with such ease and simplicity. Later in coming semesters, whenever we required the concepts of network, it always reminded us of your lectures, which really helped a lot. And I'm sure it will continue to help us in future as well. Also, a huge thanks for arranging all our industrial visits, which helped us to know the applications of our subjects in real life and in industrial aspects. Thanks a lot, ma'am, for all your support and guidance.
Thank you, Mansi. That was all the teachers that we had. Let's just put in the applause emoji real quick in Teams. I hope you all know the applause emoji is there on top, and then it's beside the raise hands. I hope applause emoji. Yeah, that's right. Because if everyone unmutes and claps, it's going to be another chaos. But now we'll move on to our lab assistants as well. We have prepared solo things. We also wait a minute. Yeah, Jobis for Shrikant sir. Okay, till Jobis clears out what is happening at his end, we'll move on to Ganesh. Ganesh, who are you going to speak about? We'll get back to Jobis. Ganesh, who are you going to speak about? Where are you, Ganesh? Yes,
am I
Ganesh.
visible?
Yes, you are visible. Go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to speak about Asha ma'am. So, dear Asha ma'am, you are the one who always supported us during each and every practical. And I still remember when we came in Agnes in the middle of August. And at that time, we were having so much pending stuff. So you helped us a lot in completing our practicals. In our diploma colleges, lab assistants used to be more strict than subject teachers. But here in Agnes, we got such a loving staff like you. And you have also handled the department library very nicely and made sure that every student will get benefit of it. So today, I would like to thank on the behalf of whole class to you for explaining each and every practical with so much interest and for helping us even in during practical exams also. So you have also given me and most of us a lot of advices regarding placement that I still remember that you used to encourage me to speak in English with you. And I used to feel like this kind of attention and this kind of treatment we only get in our home. So I felt really good that time. And that day only I had decided that whenever I will get a chance to talk about, then I will surely mention this. And that's it, ma'am. Once again, thank you so much.
Very sweet, Ganesh. Thank you, Ganesh. We'll move on to Jobis. Are we?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Sorry for
Yeah.
the
Good.
inconvenience.
Yeah, no, that's okay. Go ahead, go ahead.
Along with teaching staffs, non-teaching staffs also play a major role for smooth functioning of the department. Now coming to Shrikant sir, during practical, sir's contribution is immense, but mostly it goes unnoticed. Always during the lab session, everything was ready. We just needed to come and perform. And the best part is that he gave all the required materials without any hesitation. Sir, you were always there to help the students during difficult experiments and always willing to explain the experiments in a simple way. And sir, you also helped us in lot in practical aspects of design projects we had in our engineering curriculum. I would like to thank you on behalf of entire batch for helping us during our practical exams. That's it.
Thank you, Jobis. I think Prasad has reminded me that students' attendance link has been posted in the general tab. So just please fill out your attendance, please. That's very important. Yeah, thank you, Prasad. So moving on, we have Rahul. Rahul, who are you going to speak about?
Am I audible?
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
I'm speaking about Kalidas sir. Kalidas sir, you have really been always supportive in all our labs. Thank you so much. We also like to thank you for those attendance sheets which you provided us with the whole year. The one thing that we always are eagerly waiting for. We loved your sense of responsibility very, very much. You always used to keep account of the precise number of papers which you used to carry with us. Your love for cricket is very much admired by us. I would like to thank you on behalf of entire Electrical 2021 batch. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rahul. We have Jobis again to speak about another sir. Let's see who that is. This is the second last one. Come on, Jobis, who that is?
My first impression for Shashank sir was that he was little too strict, but I was proved wrong. He is such a soft-spoken person who is very easy to approach and quite a bit friendly. Sir, you were the one who taught us and explained us about PCB etching process. Also, thank you for explaining the experiments during the performance, which made us easy to analyze them and do same during our practical examination. On behalf of whole class, I would like to thank you for all the efforts you took during these 4 years. And one more thing, sir, thank you for always checking our wiring connections, which were wrong most of the times.
Thank you, Jobis. And then last but not the least, Ameya Satpute. Who are you going to speak about?
Yeah, so
yes.
I'm going to speak about Vipin sir. Just like Shashank sir, we also thought Vipin sir is very strict, and we feared if we messed up for something in lab, he might scold us. But as we spent time with him, we understood how supporting you were, sir. And you never interrupted while doing experiments and allowed us to do mistakes just so that we can learn from them and be a better practical engineer. God knows how many times, sir, you have saved us from shorting the equipments and blowing the fuses in machines lab. Our theoretical knowledge was always in good hands, but our practical knowledge under your supervision was also in safe hands. So we will always admire you, sir, how you used to track our wire paths through the mess we created during the experiments. Thank you, sir, for always being there to correct us, guide us in labs and during practicals. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ameya. And that was it regarding the lab assistants. Also, again, a round of applause. The emojis has to come back. Yup, go ahead. Yes, exactly. And teachers, yes, this is what we had in our hearts for you all.
Hello, Tejas.
But sorry? Yeah, Mansi?
Before interruption, I had a doubt. Just Alina ma'am left the meeting while I was speaking, so I'm not sure whether she heard it or not.
Okay. Alina ma'am, did you hear all the beautiful things that were said about you?
No, I got a message just now. I'll see to the recordings. Thank you.
No, we can. Bindu ma'am, we have time, no? It's specific.
I will repeat.
Yeah, no problem. If you want. Actually, Ruchi ma'am also was not there.
Alina ma'am, live. You listen to it live.
Ruchi ma'am also was not there. Hello?
Yeah.
Ruchi ma'am, actually, I don't know whether she joined right now or not. I'll see that she was having some other appointment. I'll tell you that later. Okay, let me just check whether Ruchi is there or not. Okay, Alina is right now there. Yeah.
Okay.
And
okay.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. On behalf of our whole batch, I would like to thank Alina ma'am Ma'am, we first interacted for the subject electrical networks in semester 4. The efforts you took to make sure we understand every single concept was just amazing. We were just in second year of electrical engineering and you were successful to build our interest in the subject. Doing the homework regularly, maybe even once some, made us understand the importance of consistency. You taught us with such ease and simplicity. Later, in next semesters, whenever we required the same concepts, it it every time reminded us of your lectures, which really helped a lot. And I'm sure it will continue to help in future as well. Also, a huge thank you for you for arranging all our industrial visits, which helped us to know the industrial applications of a subject which we were learning. Lastly, thanks a lot for all your support throughout. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mansi. See all the beautiful things that we have to say. See, kitna acha hai na? But that is not it. Now we want to hear some nice things about us from you also, because that's not fair, no. You have to balance it out, hai na? So now I'm opening up the stage to all the teachers. You all can speak out one by one. I'm not forcing everyone because I know अंदर से बहुत प्यार है सबको है. But yeah, we are opening up the stage to you all. So if you all want to share what the experience has been, and you know, not just professional advice, but you all have seen much more in life than us. So the important things in life, if you want to advise us regarding that as well, we would love to hear it from you all. So go ahead, all the stage is all yours. And who's going to speak first? Can we have someone who's going to come first?
First, I will only start.
Yeah, Bindi ma'am. Yeah. Go ahead, Bindu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. The interest you are showing, and I must thank Vivek. He was contacting me, but I know there is a team behind him for organizing this. Constantly, he was sending message and asking, "Ma'am, can it be on this day, that time?" Okay. And every time reminding me, please keep this as a secret, please don't reveal to anyone. Okay, so I hope from my part I did that, and it's a surprise for teachers, the students join the meeting. Thanks from our side, at least the interest which you have shown, at least you understood the effort teachers are putting forth to make you understand the concept as well as the skill we are trying to develop by you people. You have lost many things because you are see that I always remember the final year class, how we were handling. It was so difficult. We were waiting for the day's morning assembly with what dress code these people are coming. But that and all, now I don't know, we escape from that or you miss that. That is the main thing. You might have missed that one, but we escape from that one for controlling and hearing from principals. The electrical students are coming like this. They are creating all hangama. Nothing happened. It's all because of pandemic. So that, and the days countdown always there on the board. This many days left out. No interest of learning what is going on there. It was so difficult for us to make you people to attend the lecture because always counting down. I don't know where you people are counting and going out. The outside world is not that nice, but that they will understand only after going out, I feel. But that enthusiasm of completing engineering and going out, we miss that. So that are the things which we miss from you people, okay? Another very important thing is that I know now online teaching, we don't know what is happening the other side. Online practical, as somebody shared, always Teams and MATLAB cannot merge and show the result. Okay, then on question answers, mic will not work, camera will not be on because always problems. But very sincere request to all of you, see, as the life has become very simple and easy for scoring mark, the company also will be making their strategy more strict. The knowledge part you should not compromise. Not an advice, that is a fact. Okay, need to update your knowledge. Don't see that I am getting full marks, so I know everything. It's not like that you know better than me. So please study well, keep your fundamentals very clear. Company, when they recruit, they check that. And we had discussion with our senior. I discussed one day with Sushil sir. Sir was telling me, Asan, when the lockdown gets over, if people feel that you wanted to practice something, okay, you wanted to learn something from the lab, you need to come back and contact us. We will do the arrangement for you. Whatever you miss, you feel that, so that is required for me, we are there for you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't know, from your side, this request, when it came, I felt so happy. Okay, generally we only take initiative, we have to arrange farewell and all. Understood? That is coming officially, that will come anyway. But thanks a lot. Only thing we are missing is that cake which generally the seniors cut and give us. No, that we are missing now. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Good that you all switched on your videos. I almost thought I was being advised personal PTA. Yeah. It was a bit intimidating, to be honest. All the teachers are in one frame. I'm the only. Yeah. But yeah, you all can switch on your videos now. Students. Yeah. Okay. Teachers, is there anyone else who would like to share how this has been and would like to?
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Right from first semester, I have been bothering you till I think pre-final year. Pre-final year, I was there to teach you. I enjoyed teaching your class. I enjoyed very much actually teaching your class right from first semester to sixth semester. And I have only one thing to tell you, that always try to learn something. Once one famous person has said that if you try to learn, you stay young. So stay young by learning something always. And I also have a request to you as an alumni coordinator, that if you have any accomplishment in future after passing out, do let us know about it. We will be very happy to hear it and spread the message to our other department colleagues as well. So thank you so much. I don't want to name anybody, but thank you to each one of you in the class. Thank you.
Ma'am, so again, another thing.
I'm sorry, no?
Yeah, please, so that we can, I mean, it's very serious, to be honest. We need to know when you're...
One more thing, let me tell you. See, generally we think that nowadays students are not that, don't have that attachment and all. So that you have proved us wrong by organizing such a wonderful meeting, and also filtering we know that we have positives and we have negatives, and filtering all the positives and telling that in the meeting. I like that very much. I'm telling you from my heart, I like that very much. And about my saris, it is like microgrid, I should say. There are many sources, I cannot list.
Okay, ma'am, just you can personally message us probably. I'll forward it to the entire class, be helpful, a lot of people after getting our first salaries and all like to know, Yeah, but thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah, anybody else, teachers from your end?
Yeah, I'm Sushil here.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
Yeah. So thank you very much for the surprise gathering. And as Mini Madam said, keep learning. Actually, the main reason, I still remember 98 batch students comes back and talks to us. They always say that, sir, you still look like same thing as we have seen it 20 years back. It is true for every teacher, not only for me. Okay, the only secret behind it is that we keep learning. Okay, learning keeps you young, as many of them already said that. So keep learning. Beyond that, I'll suggest one more thing, that keep sharing. Okay, technical knowledge or any other knowledge is not required to be secretive. Share with everyone. It keeps on adding up on your side. Okay, so that's one thing which I like to talk about. One thing which we missed out is that last year is a grooming stage for every engineer. Okay, we missed out a direct contact with you. Okay, and then we felt like how difficult a teaching line can be. Teaching with a screen and students behind the screen, whether they are there or not, it was the most difficult time in our life also. We have gone through it right now. Okay, we are actually going to continue on that, possibly one more semester. Possibly it will happen also in this semester. So it's going to be a tough time. I request all of you to pray for us that we can sustain our efforts further, and the coming batches also will be getting benefited out of you.
So I wish all of you a great success. Keep learning, keep sharing, and keep upgrading yourself. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We will pray for each and every one of you. And students, beauty secrets का सब राज मिल गया है. पढ़ते रहो, स्किन ग्लो होगा. फेयर एंड लवली की कोई जरूरत नहीं है ना? दोनों प्रोफेसर्स ने बोल दिया है कि यही है राज. So yeah, any other teachers here would like to speak to us? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much for remembering us. Even though I taught you one subject, I had not seen many of you. Okay, what I want to tell you is that wherever you go, whatever you do your best, do your 100%. Okay, wish all of you the best. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Anybody else?
Rane
No.
sir, Rane sir.
Okay, someone special recommendation is come. Where is Rani sir? Where are
Rane
you
sir
there?
has raised his
Yeah.
hand. You have not.
I haven't.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. My bad.
Yeah, good
Rani
evening
sir,
to all of you. Good evening to all of you. Yeah, thanks a lot for this, whatever we can say, like surprise event which you have created. I think Bindu ma'am also keep it like completely secret. Right? We also don't know anything what is going to happen. Suddenly started. I just wish to address you regarding, even as a training placement officer, that many of you with this pandemic, there's a limitation in terms of the opportunities available. But I just wish to convey that you people keep on in touch with us. Right, hopefully the things will be improved in future, and we'll always try to connect with you, either with Abhishek sir or maybe through me directly. It will try to connect with you any kind of opportunities available, and you keep yourself motivated, as Sushil sir and Minimum also mentioned, even in terms of knowledge, right, and the confidence, so that you can grab the opportunity and move further in your professional life. Okay, and again, that Ganesh Visarjan Day, I think we'll be keeping in mind from both the sides, right? I think as a part of introduction between us, even in future. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Yes, we'll definitely keep it in mind, sir. Ganesh. Yeah, for sure. Thank you so much, sir. Anybody else would like to speak to us?
Hi, Tejas.
Yeah, Sridevi ma'am. Yeah.
I have taught you for 3 semesters. Tejas was telling me, Jobis and Amaya used to giggle during the lecture time. And I felt your batch as the most enthusiastic batch. Actually, it is your giggling nature that made that class so lively. And I remember all of you very well. So wherever you go, you do keep in touch and perform very well in whichever area you are there. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. That giggling point, that credit goes to, I think, Amaya brought it up. So Amaya, good job on that. Yes,
because whenever I'm writing on the board, behind if somebody is talking, then I used to call these Amaya and Jobis names only. Maybe some others also may be talking.
Yeah. But then, yeah, thank you, Lord. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Yeah. Anybody else would like to go ahead?
Yeah, this is Seema here.
Yes, Seema, ma'am.
I had the longest association with this class, and I'll remember always this batch. And thank you for this surprise. As I mentioned, I was surprised during the lecture when you made the same thank you posters. Thank you very much for all your love that you are giving us, and you will be remembered for this for long. And keep in touch with the teachers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Anybody else who would like to share, heart to heart? Anybody else? Now I know what our teachers feel like when nobody responds. Yeah, but yeah. Should be anybody else?
If you want to fill the gap, any other student, if they want to convey, because we were just 20 people speaking about teachers. So if anyone else want to speak about the department or teachers,
we are actually going to, we'll go into that once we have a separate section only. We have that planned. So I guess that's it then. Thanks a lot, teachers. It was good to hear from each and every one of you. Now we have some time more less left. इतना भी जल्दी छुटकारा नहीं मिलेगा. The last part of this segment is actually opening the platform to the students. Now 4 years, it's been 4 years, and probably there might be a lot of things that a lot of people might have to keep in mind, since ऐसा बहुत लोग रहेंगे, तो 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा या 3 मिनट से ज़्यादा मत बात करना. But we are going to open up the platform to you all. Anything that you have to share, the experience, how has it been for the last 4 years? Anything at all, the change that you have experienced in these years, your association with Agnels, or anything that you have to say. You can raise your hands first, and then I'll call out your names, and then you can unmute, and then you can start speaking. Again, keep it between 2 to 3 minutes so that we can give maximum people an opportunity to speak. This is from your heart, whatever you want to say. Okay, so I'm rolling out the stage to you all. Anybody who wants to share what it's been like for these last 4 years, you can raise your hands right now. Umair Qazi. All right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Tejas. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Go ahead.
To start with, I would like to convey a very, very huge thank you from my part and the part of my entire class to every single teacher that has taught us. You've left a huge impression on all our lives. I still remember walking into Mini Rajiv ma'am's class, when you used to teach us BEE. And I still remember bunking classes on Saturdays because of the train issue. And she only once I missed the class on Saturday, and she made sure that I remembered it till the end of the year, till the end of the semester. I still don't know how, but she has a very, very sharp memory. Starting from there till the very end, Sushil sir, Bindu ma'am, both the Divya ma'ams, Seema ma'am, Rane sir, every single person, Abhishek sir, Raju, Rajendra sir. We like to call him Raju, as is, because he's very friendly with us and because he's very, interactive with us. That is why. And every single teacher, Sridevi ma'am, you've left a very huge impression on us, and we are very thankful to you. FCRIT was one of the best decisions we could have taken in our lives. Obviously, we used to see other friends of ours from other colleges writing maybe 2 pages, and on the other hand, we had to do like 10 pages for the same thing. But in the end, I feel somewhere this hard work is going to pay off, and we owe you a huge thank you, especially Sushil sir. He introduced me to a lot of practical stuff, and he has been a very big motivator in trying stuff. Like, even if you're not confident, what will happen? You might just fail. It is also learning. Just do it. Just go on with it. And I thank you a lot, sir, for everything, every motivation, every single lecture, everything. Same for all the teachers. Thank you. You've been a big part in our journey, and thanks a lot.
Thank you, Umair. Thank you, Umair. That was sweet. Yeah, once you've done speaking, great. Speaking, you all can unraise your hands and mute yourselves as well. Video on rakna. Yeah. Next, Chaitanya Thakre has raised his hand. Chaitanya, where are you?
Yeah.
Mute.
So hello,
You can
good
unmute
evening. Hello.
Yeah, you're audible, bro. Where's is your video on?
No, I have some issue. So
No
sorry
problem.
about
No
that.
problem. Go ahead. We can listen to you. Yeah,
So
go ahead.
firstly, I'd like to start by saying what everybody hated in our 4 years of college, that was submitting assignments on time. And looking back on it, we probably, after 10-15 years, we'll probably think of it as an experience, because it will make us better engineers in future. And we may not have been the best class, but you still gave your best. And we may not have been the best students, but you made sure that we were the best engineers that we could ever be. So thank you for that.
Thank you, Chaitanya. Yeah, Swapnika has raised her hands. Yeah, Swapnika, go ahead.
Good evening to all the teachers. I would like to thank all the teachers for one thing, like being a hostelite, staying in some other city was not very easy, but you teachers always took care of us, and you always made sure that we are doing good. Also, many a times we went up to you asking that, ma'am, we have a train, can we leave the class half an hour early? And most of the times, all the teachers allowed us for that. So thank you so much for not letting us miss the trains for going home. And one more thing, one time when Severin ma'am was there, Mini Rajiv ma'am said to her that this is my girl. So ma'am, I'll remember it forever. Thank you so much.
That was touching, man. Yeah, this is my girl. That is good. Yeah. Anyone else would like to share the personal changes that has happened, if at all, in their 4 years, how it has been for you? You can raise your hands now. This is the perfect opportunity, and let me tell you, if you do have something but आने को थोड़ा डर लग रहा है, कुछ भी हो, just let it out. You'll never regret it. I'm telling you, you will not. So yeah, anyone who has to say anything, go ahead. Raise your hands first. We can wait for a few seconds. I knew it. Vivek, yeah, when we wait, someone is coming. So yeah,
no one is
Vivek,
speaking,
go
then
ahead.
I might take the opportunity. So,
Go ahead.
yeah. I also have one more thing prepared. So this is totally different. So I'm just talking with my heart. So if there is anything offensive, please don't find it offensive. So
Try not to speak anything offensive also. Okay.
no, I'm not speaking. Yeah, but if you feel offended, it's just my
Last
emotion.
me.
So don't.
Yeah, go ahead.
So Bindu ma'am's lecture were brilliant. Means she used to remind me of my kindergarten times. Like she used to repeat the things, the equations in such a way that we also wanted to repeat with her. So that memory will stay with me. Mini ma'am used to always give some question and say, "I will gift you a chocolate. I will gift you something if you solve it right now." Then Sushil sir used to randomly ask any questions which we have never thought of, like what will happen to capacitor if there is a ripple current. Could you please stop spotlighting whosoever is doing that? Please stop. So that used to happen a lot. Then Sridevi ma'am. Sridevi ma'am used to always cover our class. Initially, she used to teach us, but we were not able to get EDC. But as time passed, we were able to cope up with her, and then there was a totally different level bonding. The coding part and everything went easy. Ruchi ma'am, I think, is not here, but I would like to thank her a lot because the way she taught the Bode plots and everything in the control system part, it was easy for us to understand and get it. Alina ma'am taught us EN and the circuitry, the theorems, uh, making it easy for us to understand. All the lab assistants always help us getting the things we wanted. Oh, Ruchi ma'am is here. Okay, I saw her right now. So yeah, then Seema ma'am used to always, it was like she used to get emotional that we are meeting for the last time. I might not teach you the next semester. Yeah, so please do remember me if I don't come. And next semester, boom, she comes. Yeah, so I will be taking this subject. So that all will be memories which I would cherish. Humanities is not here, but humanities has also given us a lot of experience. Like Christu ma'am's fear that she used to raise her eyebrows in such a way that everyone of us used to get afraid. Like for the first sem, no one used to speak in her class. Then from second sem, the things went along. We had a great bonding. So yeah, that's all I want to say. I want to say more, a lot more, but yeah, I will restrict it.
Thank you, Vivek. Thank you, Vivek. Yeah, is there anyone else who would like to share? This would be a perfect time. We have time, no, Bindu ma'am?
Yes, no problem. 82 people will not be talking, no? They just.
Tejas can take a challenge to make 82 people speak in the class. I tried my best, but I never got succeeded.
I think
the best day.
some,
We'll be waiting. If 82 people are talking, we'll wait.
Yeah, we will wait. That's
I think the entire semester now only they were speaking.
Yes.
I think Tejas got disconnected.
Tejas got disconnected. Vivek, you take the meeting hand, and then somebody has raised the hand.
Ganesh is there.
Ganesh.
Ganesh is there.
So, hello everyone. I will start with Sridevi ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. So one thing I have noticed about Sridevi ma'am that she was our class teacher for 1 or 2 semester only, but whenever she used to enter in our class for teaching or for any other purpose, I have noticed that she used to enter like a class teacher only. She used to monitor each and every student. She used to talk like Jobis, your marks in this subject is decreasing, and I used to felt like how much they do care about our marks and all. So before getting into Agnes, and this kind of dedication towards their work I have seen in each and every faculty. So I am really blessed to getting into Agnes. And one more thing I would like to share, that before getting into Agnes, when I got the Agnes on my merit list, people started giving me advices like it's very strict and it's the jail and all. But after realizing these all things, whenever anyone asks me about Agnes, that I got Agnes for electrical and how is it, and that's that all things, I just say that if you are sincere, then you won't be you will not get need to panic because it is strict and all. You are getting into that college which is having best teaching staff for electrical department. So thank you so much for everything.
Thank you, Ganesh.
Yeah, sorry, I got disconnected.
Yeah, so Mini ma'am, I still remember the first day, Mini Rajiv ma'am, when you asked me the question, you made me stand up. It was very first lecture. We were all tense, but you still made me stand up and asked me the lecture to mark current directions. I still remember it, and from there the BEE journey started. Ma'am, I would like to thank you to give us that one platform from BEE. You made us solve n number of different sums that continued all throughout the 4 years. All teachers gave those tutorials, and surely that helped us. I remember when we got admission, everybody, like all Ganesh also said that everybody told us that it's very strict college, you will miss your college life and all that. But also we used to get sometimes irritated. There were loads of assignment. You were always, all the teachers were behind us to submit those on time. But we would get the importance of assignment when it was time for the submission. We were never in mess. We were never in any haste. You always did that for us beforehand. And I also remember that whenever somebody from outside our college used to like say something bad or anything about our college, we used to all get defensive and protect and defend our college image. And I guess that credit goes to you all teachers and faculty. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody. And thank you very much for all this 4 years.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. When I actually entered FCRIT, it was what I felt through this 4 years. It was not just a college. I felt like it was a school. Every teacher was behind us. Every teacher made sure that we complete our work on time. Everyone was there to support us. Whatever, we can go to any teacher, ask anything. They were so friendly, and thank you so much for making the environment so friendly, and like we can share anything with you, not only in these 4 years, but in the future also. We won't like hesitate to come to you and ask for your guidance. Like, we will. It's all right. that we will come back to you, ask you whatever we want again and again, and I'm sure you are there to help us every time. Thank you so much, everyone.
So everyone's journey in this college was for 4 years, but we diploma students were for 3 years, and we took admission late in August. So college made sure that the syllabus which was missed was taken during extra lecture in phases. So that was the interesting part I like about the department. They were very caring about the curriculum, about the students, and nothing should be missed. And these 3 years, the journey has been really amazing. And getting admission in English was difficult for me, but somehow, fortunately, I got admission. And till day, I did not regret getting admission in English. And for me, it was a good journey. And one more thing, I used to travel from far, so many times I used to get very tired. And so I used to sit on first bench and sleep. The reason for sitting on first bench was to listen the lecture, but sometimes I used to get enough sleep and no one used to notice me. Thank you everyone for this experience. It will be always remembered. Thank you.
Yeah, anybody? Oh, okay, then. Yeah.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, go ahead, dude.
Yeah, good evening, everyone, all my teachers. So I'd like to start with Bindu S. Ma'am. I think we had a lot of interaction during my council days, and we remember during Itamax when it was preponed, like all of us had flooded in our office, and I think we had given 100 reasons like no this, no that, but you convinced us that. No, I mean you can do it now. And also after that, I remember during machines paper and unit test, I think I'd come to your office for something. So you had asked me how much you scored in your unit test. So then I think it was 17 or 18. And then you were like, okay. So you were always keeping a check that, we are managing our academics well as in the same time. Also, Ruchi ma'am, I think she has helped us a lot during the fest, and she was very supportive. I think a lot of things were getting delayed, but she was there with us till the end. And again, Mini ma'am, I think I really enjoyed her lectures and her teaching. And also, I remember that we used to go to a lab to ask her something, like some reference book or what should we do about this. And about the sari also, it is true, like 3 of us used to sit in the bench, and every time we used to, oh mom, the sari is very amazing, and all. Every time it used to happen. So ma'am, really nice saris. Please do send us the sources. Also, Sridevi ma'am, again, she also used to be like a class teacher. I mean, always anywhere if you see, she'd be like, yeah, how are you doing? How is your studies? And every time we used to go into a lab, she used to talk very nicely. Seema ma'am also knew us for a very long time. And she also was like, very motherly sort of nature. She also used to be a very soft spoken, and whenever you go to her, very nicely. Again, and machines, I remember both the sirs, Rajendra sir and Abhishek sir. So we used to be like, हाँ मतलब machine तो chill है, tension नहीं है. All the time it used to be like that. And once I remember also, someone had made me stand also in machine lecture. I think I was sleeping in the lecture. Again, I may not be able to take everybody's name, but yes, thank you to all the teachers, and definitely going to miss these 4 years. Really went by very fast, and thank you for supporting us in our council days, and thank you.
Thank you, Dhanashree. Thank you. You can mute now. Silas back. Your turn.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Yes.
Hi, all teachers. I would like to thank all of you. You teachers helped us grow as a person and helped us learn a lot. And I still remember when I joined It was all new. I only knew Mini Ma'am because of my friends, and Mini Ma'am's son is a friend of mine, so I knew her. And we're gonna cherish all these 4 years of our lives. I still feel like a first-year-old student. Yeah, these 4 years went within the blink of an eye. So yeah, that's it. I still remember that Mini Ma'am and Bindu S Ma'am used to ask questions at the start of our lectures. So we used to study all the answers in a hurry. So that is one fond memory that I have. So thank you once again, all the teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, Silas. Thank you, Silas. Gaurav, yes.
So I want to talk about the development that we had in the last 3 years. So people always say that if you want to see that how much you have developed, all you have to do is just look back yourself in the past, that how you used to be and how you are right now. So for me especially, when we come into this college, there were not more like assignment kind of thing that we had in our previous colleges. We always used to submit the late, but still when we came here, the importance of the assignment tests and prelims, we are feeling it right now, that how much it has helped us indirectly in our studies. Whether it's very small rules like coming on to the assembly on time. This kind of things actually help in the time management of our own. Like how can we achieve the same thing when we'll be in the corporate world, when we'll be out of our college. We are allowed to make mistakes in the college itself, but when we go out in the world, we have to represent the best of ourselves. So that I feel we learned here. And about the prelims and all the examinations, that extra examination basically what we had, about that, those examinations actually helped us in the studies. Like if we say that, let's say if I have an assignment, the main UT on X date, and previous to that, we always used to complete our syllabus due to the reason that we always used to study for assignment tests and all those prelims. So it was not a burden for us during those times, and I feel even though it was more of like an when we look at it from the student point of view, from the second year student from the point of view, it is more often like what are we doing right now? This doesn't make any sense. But when we'll go out of the college, I feel that's the time when we learn about those things. And I feel very thankful for all the teachers that they always supported us with the notes, whether it will be all the questions. They never hesitated to answer any questions. Even if they didn't knew the answer, they always used to come up with the answer. I still remember in the early lectures of our EVT, in one lecture, Vaibhav actually asked something related to some data sheet. So in the next lecture, sir actually prepared a PPT especially for him to answer that question. So these were some of the memories that we had in our college in the last 3 years, and I'm very thankful for all of them. And we have spoken already a lot about thanking everyone, so I won't bore you about it much. Once again, thank you so much.
Thank you, Gaurav. Yes, we are already 6:21, so everyone, whoever is speaking, keep it short and sweet, 2 to 3 minutes. We need to finish by 6:30. Amol, and also the next one, if there is anyone, keep your hands raised. I'll call out. Amol, go ahead.
Yes, actually, I'm not good in speaking, but I want to try to convey my thoughts in my own way. I just jot down some of the points, some of the memories which I had with teachers and my fellow friends. So I want to thank every one of you, every one of the teachers, as well as my classmates, and also special thanks to Bindu ma'am, Bindu S ma'am, and Rane sir, and also Abhishek sir for helping me throughout my placement process. Also Mini ma'am, she always encouraged me personally. Thank you for. She was also used to say that you are technically good, you can do this. So I will always remember that ma'am. And Seema ma'am, for Seema ma'am, sorry ma'am, I couldn't able to answer your questions during the lecture because whenever you used to call me, I was kind of preparing for my interview process, so I didn't able to answer your questions. So sorry, so extremely sorry for that. You have also removed me from the meeting 2 to 3 times, so I'm extremely sorry for that. And the next one is sorry. Thank you, Ruchi ma'am, for being such a good mentor. And one funny fact I want to share is that I'm a very shy kind of person. I'm not that much interactive with the teacher. So because of which, there was one example that I want to share, that even after teaching one entire semester, Sridevi ma'am and Rajendra sir used to after then one next entire semester, Sridevi ma'am told that I have never seen you in your entire one semester. Where were you sitting? That is a funny memory that I want to share. Thank you.
Thank you, Amol. It's already 6:23, so people who have already raised up their hands, that is Ajay, Karan and Anuja. These are the people that we'll take now, because uske baad I don't think there will be time left. So Ajay, Karan, Anuja, keep it very short, 1 to 2 minutes, okay? But go ahead. Ajay, go ahead.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Go ahead.
So hi, hello everyone. When I joined Agnos on the first day, I had only known Mini ma'am, since I was friends with her son and she used to stay in my area. I would like to thank Mini ma'am for teaching me about power electronics, which made me develop interest regarding the subject and inspired me to pursue masters regarding the same. I would also like to thank Sushil sir and Bindu S ma'am for providing me LOR. My most memorable experience would be in first year when Christu ma'am took all our mobile and wouldn't give it back until we cleared complex number retest, which we cleared it after 2 weeks along with Karan and all. I would also like to thank Alina ma'am for tolerating the troubles caused by our group and guiding us for the completion of project. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajay. Short and sweet. Exactly what I needed. Exactly. Yeah, Karan, go ahead.
Yeah,
Go
am
ahead.
I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Go ahead.
Yeah, I would like to keep this short since we have a time constraint. So thank you all the teachers and the non-teaching staff for all this wonderful 4 years of my life. It was a really great experience. I really love that the personal interest like all these teachers have given to us. I remember Bindu S ma'am calling my father and arranging a personal meeting because I had very low attendance. And also remember Sridevi ma'am calling out my name during the lectures and making me stand near the window because I was disturbing the lectures. So sorry, ma'am. Will not happen again. And that's it. These are the memories that I will cherish forever in my life. Thank you for this. Thanks.
Thank you, Karan. सबके sorry बाहर निकल रहे बहुत सारे हैं. Okay, Karan, thank you. And last but not the least, Anuja, go ahead. Keep it short, okay? Yeah.
All ma'ams and sirs know that I am shy. I don't answer anything in class, don't say anything. So really thanks very much for Bindu ma'am, Sridevi ma'am, Rane sir and Abhishek sir for taking care of my health. Also during the lockdown period during placement activities. Thank you Miniar ma'am for helping me during practical, reducing my tension, and really thank you for all the teachers have helped me not only in studies but somewhere you all have motivated in my life. So really thank you for that.
Thank you, Anuja. And that is it. This was the session. I think we can all put out hearts out here. Yeah, just put out hearts, heart emoji out here all around. Yes, just put it all out. Yeah, amazing. Amazing. A big virtual hug to each and every one. The last part is, of course, we need to finish this off. So was anyone speaking? Okay. Okay. Everybody, please keep your mics on mute. Yeah. So the last part, of course, to give a vote of thanks. So yeah, Vivek, off to you, brother.
So first of all, I would like to start with one guy in our class who all the teachers and all the students would agree that he used to always whatever we feel, whatever we used to have problems, he used to communicate with the teachers used to communicate with us. So could you all please applaud for Hemant? I just put him on spotlight. I asked others not to do, but I did it. I'm sorry. So could you please just applause for Hemant, because he was CR for such a long year and he literally helped every one of us out. in every time. So thank you, Hemant, for that. And this is why I was calling you to join the meeting, even if you left. So yeah, that's it. Now the thank you speech. So we spoke about our teachers. Teachers spoke about us. So on the behalf of class, uh, actually I wanted to share these things with you all. So joining college, also sorry, I'm sorry. A very special thanks to Bindu ma'am because she kept it as a surprise. The surprise was ruined for her, but she did not leak it to any one of you and arranged for it. Whatever I asked for lab assistants, she added them. I asked for everything, time slots, what times would be available. She arranged literally everything. She is always supportive in anything. So yeah, that's it for appreciations. Now, thank you. So joining college, I still remember we used to Google Vashi Central Jail, and every one of us know what's the search result. So yeah, then after 2 years, means after 11th and 12th, it was back to school again. How the morning assemblies were back, the late marks were back. So yeah, that in a way help us to communicate with our seniors from other batches as well as our batches, our juniors. We communicated with everyone standing down in the foyer. Uh, then we also know that the discipline used to come from the late marks because used to give late marks for the purpose that we would be disciplined in our lives, be always on time. Yeah, so we missed it due to this current situation. We also missed a thing a lot. It's called Goa IV, which we were excited from right from our first year. Uh, we didn't got the souvenir which every FCRIT student has, the red Goa IB cap. So we wanted to join with the next batch. So please arrange for anything. We want to join the next batch for the Goa IB trip because we need it. Uh, Assignments and other activities of the curriculum were well planned in our department as compared to other departments. Other department students used to write 1 or 2 days before the final submission. There are 6 assignments, 5 assignments, and we were like, yeah, we just need to sit here and wait for the submissions when it will be started. Making that final approval sheet, taking signatures on index sheet used to make us run from one part of the building to other part of the building. It used to burn a lot of our calories. I'm sure it helped Anjan a lot. Uh, the mentoring sessions were absolutely very good. It helped us. I still remember communicating with Rane sir. He gave me solutions for whichever, at least he tried his level best to give solutions for whatever problems I used to have. Then the compulsory fest, the Itamax and faces were much required by us because they used to relieve the stress which we were having because of the test, retest, re-prelims, re-prelims, and all that other efforts which teacher used to take so that we learn everything subject. Then the encouragement for internship was also too nice for us. Then the monsoon treks were also memorable. It created a memory going to Panvel side, some hilly area with our teachers, and we still remember Mini Ma'am with the leaf on her head like this. Uh, she, she and Divya ma'am, I think, over here, and they were protecting themselves from rain like this, putting a leaf over their head. So yeah, we remember that. People also say, even in fact Rajendra sir also told, जितना मेरा पूरा इंजीनियरिंग में अटेंडेंस नहीं है उतना एग्नल्स के बच्चों का एक सेमेस्टर में होता है. So yeah, that's something we are proud of. We also remember behind the whole vision of the institute mission, the CO, POs. It was for our department, so we need to do it for accreditation for getting good grades from that. Yeah, so we did it. Some of us still remember the COPOs. Swapnika was telling that they need to go out of hostel, so someone took their viva about the COPOs and the vision mission. So yeah, thanks for all your efforts for teaching us and making us skilled enough to get a job and work for a company or go for a higher studies, or if nothing, then we can do our own some startup, something. Each one of us is capable of doing something, so it's not always the luck. It's also the teachers who mold us in such a way that we become worthy of being hired. So it's not always the luck. So thank you, teachers, for that and all the help you gave us. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivek. And that is it, boys, girls, teachers, everybody.
Tejas, hello. This is Abhishek, sir.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think one thing we miss every time in vote of thanks that I would like to cover.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so every year we got very good student as a placement coordinator. This semester also we got best coordinator, placement coordinator. Okay, so thank you, because reading each and every WhatsApp messages and answering to each student's query is not that much easy. Okay, so thank you, Anuja, Vaibhav, and Bhavesh. Okay, you are a very good placement coordinator, because they will be with us after your engineering. Okay, till maximum students get job. Okay,
Yes, clap, everyone, please. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Yeah.
Abhishek, Nisha also there, huh?
Hello, sir.
Nisha also was there.
Hi, yes, sir. Nisha also. Nisha Tita also. Thank you, Nisha.
Placement coordinators, yes. So yeah, that is it from our end. Thank you so much, teachers. We are already about time, 4 minutes about time. Bindu ma'am, would you like to say something?
Just one thing, let me tell you before Bindu speaks.
Yeah.
I request all of you to be ambassadors for our branch in the outside world, because when we sit for counseling, admission counseling, all the parents will come and tell we want computer branch. So I request you all to be ambassadors of our branch in the outside world. Thank you.
Yes. Bindu ma'am, yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Mini said it very rightly. We felt very bad when we sit for the counseling. Everybody wants computer IT. So we feel that our branch, why people are not coming for that. But now what she rightly told, you are the ambassadors. Let's see that how the next step it is coming. We will also try from our side. All the very best to all my students. As Karan rightly told, I call his father and all, but Karan, attendance is also important. Na? Otherwise, you will lose money when you work for a company. You know that, no? There are only limited leave in companies. So I don't want him to lose any money. That's why now he will not. Okay. So all the very best to all my students. Thanks a lot for arranging this one. And we want to see that all of you are successful in your life, doing better, and either going for higher studies, upgrading your skill, getting promotion. As Mini told, she is the alumni in charge. You must inform her, okay, every success of your life. Update us with that, okay? And we will be calling for alumni lectures and all next time. Without hesitating, you should come and share your experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I think we can end with everyone showing the thank you card again. Just one last time. Yeah, amazing. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. We can. Yeah. Thank you all, teachers.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes. I think that junior council is planning. So we will let you know tomorrow. There is a meeting. We'll let you know that. You have any plan? Any? Yeah. We will. Goa trip next time we will take you. Let the pandemic get over. We'll call all of you. Okay. Sushil, you unmute and talk.
Tomorrow's meeting, we'll communicate this point to principal.
Yes.
They want to go on Goa trip.
Yes. It is actually challenging for teachers. Students, it is enjoyment. Anyway, we will inform for principal.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, if Uma ma'am and Purnima ma'am are
Thank
in
you.
contact, please thank you to them also from our
Purnima
side.
ma'am and Uma ma'am, we will send a message to them.
Nishan ma'am as well.
Nishan ma'am.
Yes, Nishan also, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.